Coastal Karnataka, on the southwest coast of India, for generations has nurtured icons within hospitality and industries. Kundapura, a small town within this region where Kunda means pillar and Pura means town, is home to Gurukula Public School. Gurukula School is spread over 40 acres with 70% green cover and has made sustained efforts across solar energy, waste management, water harvesting, organic plantations, 400 types of medicinal plants, a bird sanctuary and butterfly gardens. Gurukula is a CBSE school with classes across Montessori, high school and UG school, including separate hostel facility to accommodate boys and girls. With a focus on all-round development of students from academics, equal importance is also given to activities like dance, skating, basketball. Gurukula focuses on a 360-degree holistic learning, with efforts extending towards students, teachers, and even parents. Gurukula Public School, nurturing global leaders for a new world.
Namaste children. Already you learned in previous class, right? This topic is noun. Already you learned it all in previous class. I only told that what is the difference between common and proper noun, right? Proper noun already you know. As in common also you know that. Once we recall all these types of nouns in this class, okay? Okay children. What is a noun? Do you know the noun? Yes, you know the short form name of a naming word, right? Okay, noun is a naming word. Once you say this sentence, noun refers to a name of a person, place, thing, animals, and a bird. It's called noun, right? Will you give example? Yes, you know already. Okay, I'll show some pictures to you. Will you identify? Is the name of the person or things or place like that? Okay, first I'll show. Look at this. What is this, children? Yes, everyone can know, can say this one. Everyone know this one. This is a den, home of animal, right? Yes, home of lion or any wild animal. Okay, this is a place of one animal. Means this is a naming word. Okay, and then look here. What is this? Yes, this is an ant, right? This is a ant. Is this one of the nouns? Is this place, things or animal or insect or any bird? Yes, this is an insect, right? Okay, that is also noun. Next, what is this? Yes, you can identify this picture very easily. Bird. This is the name of the bird, one of the bird. Then, what is this? Book, right? Book is also noun. Next, parrot, right? Parrot is a one of a noun, name of the bird. Then, owl. Then, hen. Hen is also one of the noun. Next, what is this? Yes, this is a place. Place name means kennel. Kennel is one of the animal place, right? This is a one of the noun. Okay. Already you know these all. Already in previous class you learned these all the nouns. Noun refers to a person, place, thing, and animals, right? This is called noun. In this noun, types are there. Types. Types of noun. Types of noun. Already you learned one common noun. Common noun, right? What is a common noun? In previous class, you learned this all. I showed many nouns. I divided like a chart. Already I showed that. If you want, I will show one more time. See, these noun chart already I showed you, right? See here, all persons are there, place is there, things are there, animals are there, and the birds are there, right? These we are calling noun chart, right? In this chart only I said common name of a person, common name of a place, common name of a thing, common name of a animal, and common name of a bird is called common noun. Okay? Common noun means that only. It refers to a common name of a person. For example, in your class, many are there. For example, child. Child, we can call everyone child, right? As the same, if it is more than one, we are calling children, right? Okay, I'll write one sentence here. Will you identify the common noun? Okay. Children are playing. See, children are playing. In this sentence, one word is the common word is there, common name is there. Will you identify that? Yes, children. Children is a common noun. I am not at all mention or a particular person. Overall, I am calling that is a children. Okay, this is called common noun. Okay, and one more example. I love chocolate. I love chocolates. See, in this sentence, did I mention any particular chocolate? No, right? I am telling overall, whatever it may be, whichever it may be. I love chocolate. That's it. I love chocolate. See, this chocolate. Above this sentence, children and chocolates. These two are the common noun. Okay. And as the same, students are reading the book. Okay, I'll write one more sentence. Students are reading a book. Look at this sentence first. Students are reading a book. Here, students means I am not at all mention anyone. Overall, I am calling. Many students are there in the class, right? Like that, student is a common noun, common word. And reading a book. Did I mention any particular book? No, I said only book. Many books are there. Textbook is there, reader is there. Like that, a notebook is there. I am not at all mention any separate or particular book. I mentioned only book. Okay. So, here in this sentence, you can identify the two common nouns. Okay. Here, two common nouns are there. Like this. In this common noun, do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts in the common noun? Okay, common noun. I'll repeat once again. Common noun refers to a common person. Common name of a person or thing. Like one more. Bangalore is a big city. In this sentence, Bangalore is a particular place, right? Bangalore is a particular place. But did I mention any particular place or any other? No, only Bangalore. Bangalore is a particular place. But here, city I mentioned. City, that is the common. We can add any other name. Mysore is a cultural city, like that. Kundapur is a city. Like that, we can add any other. City means that is a common noun, common name of a place. Okay. See, I'll show here. What is this? Home. Home means this is the one of the place, right? This is one of the place. Like this type, this is a common. And then ice cream. I said only ice cream, but I am not at all mention any different types are there in cone ice cream also. Different tasty sweets are there, flavor are there, but I mentioned only a ice cream. I mentioned only an ice cream. Okay, this all we can say common noun. Okay, do you have any doubts in the common noun? I think everyone understood this one. Okay, next. Next, second part. Second part is the second one is the proper noun. What is that? Proper noun. Okay. Already you know the noun. What is a noun? You know that. And the common noun also you know that. And this, what is the proper noun? Do you know what is the proper noun? See, in your class, many friends are there. They have their particular name. How can we identify them? If I call any particular person, then only they will come and meet us, right? Like that, a proper name refers to a particular place of a person, particular name of a person. Okay? As the same particular place, name of a place, particular name of an animal, like that. These all we are calling proper noun. For example, you have your own name. That is also proper noun. Okay? One more thing, you must remember every time and everywhere if anyone asking you, you must tell this one. Proper noun almost all begins from the capital letter. Always, it always begins from the capital letter only. That is, you can identify very easily. If it is a proper noun in the sentence, you can identify very easily because of beginning letter is always capital. Okay. For example, if you are write your name, Shayan. Shayan is good boy. Good boy. See, Shayan. Sorry, Shayan. Shayan. Shayan is good boy. Here, which is a particular name of a person here in this sentence. Yes, very good. That is a Shayan. Shayan is the particular name of a person. Here I mentioned boy. Did I mention any particular boy here? No, right? That is a which type of noun? Yes, that is a common noun. This boy is a common noun. But here in this sentence, I mentioned his name. What is his name? Shayan. Shayan is good boy. Okay. Then next sentence. Mysore is a city. In this sentence, one of the place is here. See, Mysore. Once you check the beginning letter in these two sentences, first you check beginning letter of the sentence. Capital only, right? But we can change this sentence differently. Once I say that, if it is a proper name, I'll write like this type. Look at here. Children went to Bangalore. Where they went now? Children went to Bangalore. I said already, you can identify the proper noun very easily. If the word proper noun is end of the sentence, or beginning of the sentence, you can identify very easily because that proper noun, it will start in capital letter only. See, look at this sentence first. Children went to Bangalore. See, Bangalore is the proper noun. See how I wrote here. Capital letter, right? B is the capital letter. As the same, if it is an animal, if it is an animal means you can write, see, tiger. I wrote in capital letter only. In any other place, you can identify the proper noun very easily because of beginning letter is always some capital letter. Okay. Do you have any doubts here? In this way, you can identify the proper noun very easily because of beginning letter always capital letter only. Okay. Okay. Proper noun. One more time I will say proper noun. It refers to a particular name of a person. Particular name of a person. Like this type. In your class, many children are there. Many are there. Means they have their particular name. If I call them, they know their name, right? If I call particular name like Sanvi, if I call Sanvi means she will only come near to me, right? If I call Saurabh, he will come. If I call Nidhi, see many are talking in the class, right? If you are in combined class, B section and A section both also there, right? Always you are not at all gathered together, but when you join or when you are sitting in combined class, you started shouting and you are talking, start talking each other, right? In that time, Vimersh, right? You know your friends. See, if I call Vimersh, he will alert. Why? Because it is his particular name, right? And then Shayan, if he is playing or shouting or skating, everything he will do, right? If I call Shayan, he will alert. Why? Because man will point out him. Not only him, for everyone I'm telling. If you are in your own world, I'm doing my lessons, what I'm teaching to you, that one I'm telling. But you are in your own world. Aditi, Aradhya, like you all, many are there. I'm not at all mention any particular person. Just I'm giving example. Okay, if you don't mind what I mentioned your name, don't mind like that because just I'm telling a proper noun. Okay, I know you all are very good children. Children, see, if I add that, that is a common noun. But if I call your particular name means that is a proper noun. That's it. What is the difference between common and proper noun? Common noun, we are not at all mention any particular person or thing. Like that. But in the proper noun, we are mentioned particular person. Okay. And then, for example, animal. Particular animal. If any pet animals are there in your home, example puppy. Puppy is there in your home means you are giving one name to that, right? Which type you will give? Jockey, 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 Rani, Nita, Neetu, like that. Your choice. You are giving different names. Tom, like that different names you are giving. That is called proper noun. Okay, like that animal. If it is things, will you give any example for things? Yes, I can say different. See, this pencil. I'm showing this pencil. Pencil is a common noun or proper noun? Think and say the answer. Pencil. This is a common noun or proper noun? Yes, this is a common noun. Pencil. Whatever it may be, you have different colors of pencil. For example, its proper name is Apsara. Which pencil is that? Which pencil is this? Apsara. Its proper name. But overall, we are calling pencil only. Different types of pencils are there. Okay, so we are calling this pencil only. Pencil is a common noun. Apsara pencil is a proper noun. Understand? Like that. For example, any other thing? You can collect many things. Okay, like chocolate. If it is chocolate, you can say dairy milk. It is the proper name. Okay, chocolate means common, but I mentioned dairy milk. Okay, that is a common name. Like that. I said already, proper name you can identify very easily because all letters, beginning letter is we are writing capital only. Okay, we must write capital only. Then only we can identify the proper name. Okay. Do you have any doubt in here? Any doubts here? I think everyone understand it. Okay. Okay. Here, this is the second part. Okay. These two you learned in this class. I will divide like this type. Okay. I will divide like this type. Here, common noun. This side, proper noun. Okay. You can give any different answers here, but I will write here. Okay. If it is wrong, you can say. First common. If it is a person, I'll write child. We can give any different name to that child. You know your brothers, sisters, younger sister, younger brother, many are there, right? They have their own name, but I mentioned child only. That is the common. Okay, okay. Here I'll write person. Okay, here I mentioned child only. In proper, you can give any different names because you know your friends' names, right? Yes. For example, Radha. Nobody are there in your, like the Radha friend, right? But I mentioned Radha. Radha is a particular name of a person. Here, child is a common name. In this side, Radha is a proper name. Okay. Now, person over. Then, place. Place. Common name or common noun. School. I'll give one example. School. Many schools are there. You know already. Many schools are there. In that school, where you are learning now? In which school? Yes, that is a GPS. GPS means Gurukula Public School. That is a particular name of a school. Okay. But here I mentioned only school. Here I mentioned particular name of a school. School GPS. Gurukula Public School. Okay. This is a particular name. Okay. Then next, person over, place over. King. Okay, common. I want common noun. Which one you will give? Yes, I write book. Book. Book is a common. Different types of the book is there. For example, your tulip book. Tulip book, right? I am giving very easy examples. Okay, you can understand very easily. So I am giving very easy examples. Okay. Then next, animal. In animal also, you can give common. Common noun means, for example, cat. Cat. In your cat, in your home, many cats are there. Means cats are there with you, right? You can give different name for that cat. Like somebody told that Chummi is our favorite cat. Huh? Janu is your favorite cat. Like that, you can give. Okay, I'll write Janu. Chummi, Belly. These all your favorite names, right? You can give your particular name for that. What? Yes, animal. And then last one, what? Bird. See here, which is your favorite bird? For example, I'll tell my favorite bird is parrot. It is a green in color, its beak is the red color, and it is one of the pet bird also, right? It will speak nicely. If we are giving what training to it, it will speak, right? Okay, I'll write parrot. Parrot is a common. In that parrot, we can give different name for that. Okay? What is it? Like that, you can give different names. Chummi, Rammi, like that, your favorite name. What? Which one you want to give, you can. Okay, I will mention Chummi. Okay? This is all the what I wrote here. This is all the common nouns. That side what I wrote, these are the proper nouns. If it is a person, child I'll call. Means Radha. Example, that side all example, okay? Place. If it is school, that is GPS school. If it is a bank, cooperative bank, Canara bank, syndicate bank, many different types of banks are there. Then things. If it is a book, tulip book, or what? Your drawing book, or any different book, okay? Then, if it is an animal, I gave one example, cat. You can call it Janu, Mary, like that your favorite names only you can give. Then bird, if it is a bird, you can give parrot. I choose that. You can give any other common bird name, okay? Then I will call Chummi. This is a chart bird, this is a types of a noun, in the common noun and the proper noun. What is the difference? Common and proper. Common we can call overall, but proper we all particularly we are point out the person or things or animals and the birds. Okay, that is called proper noun. So I made this column like this to understand properly. Do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts? Okay, I will show this. This is the one of the vehicle. You know, this is the one of the vehicle. This one also you can say in vehicle is a common noun. In that vehicle, bicycle is a proper two-wheeler. Okay, like that. And then drinks means is it cold drinks or hot drinks? That is a different. But I will mention this is a coffee. Okay, this is the proper. Coffee is the proper. And then transport. What is this? This is the aeroplane, right? This is a common name. Aeroplane is a common name. And then what I said in classes like that. Then I'll show the places. Look here. First one. First one. What is this? Yes, that is a hospital, right? First one is a hospital. Then second one. Yes, you know very well this one. School. This is a one of the place. Then you like this place. Which place is this? Park. Everyone loves this place, right? Then this is a home. Now you are all safe in your home, right? Okay. Next. What is this? Everyone will go to this place, supermarket. You can buy the different things from there, right? That is a supermarket. Then this is a bakery. Almost all you all like this one place, right? Almost all. Everybody loves this one. This is a bakery. Then You know these two places. Already you learnt in previous class. First one is the fire station. This is the police station. These all the common names. Okay. These all the common names. Means common name of a places. Okay. Okay children. If you have any doubts in this topic, means types of nouns, in that common noun and a proper noun. If you have any doubt, you can ask in next class. And then I'll send this classwork in through the WhatsApp. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask and make collect all the different place, person, things, animals, birds, these all pictures. Then you only what? Sorting the different places. Sorting the places one side, animals, birds, things like that you can sort out like this type. Okay. Then you will understand very well this concept. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you very much. Thank you, children.